Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you what is a dynamic page in your Wix. So here in the Wix we're going to talk about our dynamic pages. So basically here CMS or Albeit Dynamic Pages, it's basically a type of web page created to display content from CMS Management System Collection. So this will allow you to create websites that can efficiently handle a large amount of content while maintaining the UI and UX experience. So you can do this using your dynamic pages right here. So it will let you add a dynamic page for managing items on your live site. So this is available in the studio editor, and this is how it would look like basically. So you will have to have your collection items, the program title, the description, and the duration, and in Wix of course. So this is available in the studio editor only, and you can learn how to do this and creating a page in the Wix editor that lets members edit collection content from your live site and not just you. So you can get that in the actual paid part. So let's try to upgrade right here. So here in the upgrade, you can get this here in the, I'm not sure, here in the business. You can get it right here, and you'll be able to access your dynamic pages by going to the studio editor. So basically that's what dynamic pages is in Wix. Is just a way to handle large amounts of your own display content so that it won't be really that laggy when it comes to the UI and UX experience. You will have your own collection items right here. So there you go guys. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.